everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Laura and welcome to my channel. Today is day 13 of FACEMASKTOBER and we are testing out the Beauty Concepts Detoxifying Charcoal Face Mask. So this is one of the ones from the 4-pack that I got from TJ Maxx. So I have this one and 2 more to use. So this would be the second one that we are using, and it says it promotes clean pores, revitalizes skin's texture and appearance, and nourishes and moisturizes. Our facial treatment masks are formulated for an at-home spa result. Cleanse face and remove any makeup. Open mask and gently place on clean, dry skin. Wear mask for 20 minutes and relax as your skin is nourished and revitalized. Remove mask, rinse skin clean, and enjoy youthful, radiant skin. So I will let you know the mask that I wore, or the mask that I did yesterday, the color changing one that had the 3-step, the moisturizer, broke me out. I woke up this morning and I had a couple breakouts along my forehead. I had one over here. You can see that I got some again around my mouth area. I had some like in my nose area right here. Not happy at all. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and crack this open, get it on the face, and go relax for a little bit. I was not expecting that one to be black. Doesn't smell bad. I'm having a hard time unfolding this. So this one at least has the eyeballs cut out for you. Today was hair wash day. I love hair wash day. I always feel so fresh. Oh. I love wearing these things and then going and trying to freak out my cat. I think he's so used to it now, he just kind of looks at me like, what do you want? If you don't got snacks, leave me alone. Alright, we're going to see if there's any left in here. There we go, got a little bit. Alright, we have started the countdown, so I'm going to go relax for 20 minutes and we will be back when it's time to take off the mask. Okay, so it's been the 20 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and remove the mask. It actually wore pretty well, it didn't move around or anything, and then it does ask you to go wash it off, so I'm going to go do that and we'll be back. Okay, so we've got that washed off now, and I made sure I washed off my neck too since I did take it down my neck. So this claims that it promotes clean pores, revitalizes skin's texture and appearance, and it nourishes and moisturizes. So let me take a quick look here and I will let you know what I think. Alright, so after review here, I do feel like it did clean out my pores, like around my nose and stuff. It does look pretty clean. I don't feel like it's helped with any of my texture, and as far as improving the appearance of my skin, yeah, I guess, you know, it doesn't look as red as it did before when I started, but I still have like my little breakout spots that are red. And then nourishing and moisturizing. I don't feel like my face is moisturized. I definitely will have to put lotion on before I go to bed. I guess it does feel nourished though, like it does feel clean and like it's been taken care of, but you would still need to moisturize your face, or at least I do. So yeah, that's everything for this mask by Beauty Concepts. Once again, this was in a pack of 4 that I bought from TJ Maxx, so this is the second one that I've tried. The other one was it's like a moisturizing rose hip one, I believe. And would probably pick these up again in that little packet. I believe they were $3.99, so each one of these is $1 because there was 4 of them. So if you have tried these out yet, or if you're going to run over to TJ Maxx and try them out, comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, please thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so now. That way you don't miss out on my future videos. And until tomorrow's next FACEMASKTOBER video, I hope you're having a great day, night, weekend, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Bye, everybody.